Hello everyone, this is Shawn Collier, General Manager, Johnston RV in Cullman, Alabama. Here to show you the brand new 2020 Arctic Wolf 3660 that's just arrived. Give you a quick overview of some of the features and benefits. One of the things I want to point out real quick is that with Johnston RV, this unit just came in and everything is turned on, checked out, and that's one of the steps that we do to every single unit that comes in here. Get it cleaned up. We turn on every single component that this unit comes with and make sure it's operating correctly the way it should. Check again for water leaks, all those type of things, making sure that your first camping experience is a good one as much as we possibly can. So you saw the front storage compartment there. What's really neat about this particular unit is there's another storage unit right here, some outdoor hookups for a TV, a bunch of room back there with another access point on the back. This is really neat. This allows you to run cords to those hookups on the inside. These really nice stable MORryde steps, and again the 3660 suite is what we're looking at. Interesting thing about this unit is I've got the exact same camper in a different brand that weighs 3,000 more pounds than this one does. Actually, a little bit over that. This unit's a big family bunkhouse with a middle bunk separate for the kids, a top loft, and it is under 11,000 pounds. So your quick connect for a gas grill. Spray port there for an included water hose. I think I saw it in here. That hooks up over there, and you've got running water in the front of your camper outside, which is really nice. This is the very unique, very useful Cherokee drop tailgate, and I tell you, I had one of those, use it all the time for generators, firewood, bicycles. It is really nice just to have that extra space outside that you don't have to take those items inside. A generator staying outside the camper is really nice when you're able to do so. Let's take a look inside. So here we are inside, and just look at the spaciousness of this. It's just unbelievable that like I said, under 11,000 pounds. Something I forgot to mention outside is the level system. So you've got a automatic leveling system that levels the camper for you. That is really nice when you get where you're going. You just hit a button and it does its thing. It takes a lot of work out of setting up once you get where you're going. Fireplace, television go there, nice big space for a television. Another big selling feature of the Cherokees is the blue backlighting. Everybody loves that. It's a really cool accent light that looks really nice at night. If that's the only light you have on, it's a great night light. Just great atmosphere. Stove. Here you got your 12-volt fridge. No need for a propane fridge any longer. You got a 12-volt fridge that runs off the battery. Works going down the road. Works if you're dry camping. It's a great feature. Beautiful blackened farm-style sink. Freestanding dinette's always a big feature. You can actually move around. You know, the ones that are built in, sometimes those can be a little cumbersome trying to fit everybody in. These really nice zebra blinds, these are great. The benefit of these is sitting them right where you want, depending on how much light you want to let in or none. So those are a neat feature. You'll notice these USB ports all over the camper. Nice accent lighting. Beautiful living room, and it's a great place for everybody to hang out. That's a sleeper sofa. These are recliners. You got heat and massage. Really nice. Beautiful plank look floor. And then this is the bunkhouse that I was mentioning. That also turns into a bed there. There's a bunk there. Got their own little storage, place for TV, video games, all that right there. And that's not it. You can stack the kids all over this one. Here's another place. That's actually my daughter's sleeping spot and ours. There's a ladder to get into that. Bathroom. Nice full-size shower. This door is really neat. And there's your sink. And then one of my favorite parts is the way this bedroom is opened up. You can walk around over here, completely around the front. Over here, I love when the bed's turned this way and it's got a little slide that gives you all this walking space. Another good feature is this closet. If you'll look right there, washer dryer hookups, which is a big deal for many people. These shelves come out and we can install a washer and dryer for you. And then you still got this closet here. Open this, show you. So that's the mirror doors closed, and then over here you've got more shelves, as well as this dresser cabinet and a place for your television. Well, that's it. A whole lot of camper for under 11,000 pounds. Come see us, Johnston RV Cullman. Thank you.